Okay, here we have a 6-mark substitution question. What we're going to do is start off with our substitution value, which is 3 minus x cubed, and we're going to differentiate that. We'll get du dx equals negative 3x squared, which if you rearrange to make dx the subject, you're going to end up with negative a third, and x squared would be on the bottom as well. Okay, we're also going to rearrange this one and make x cubed the subject, not x on its own. You'll see why in a minute. 3 minus u. Okay, and also we need to change our boundaries. We had x and u. So these are all standard things you do when you do an integration. And then if you put the 1 into the equation up here, 3 minus 1 would be 2. And then you put the 0 in up here, and we've got 3 minus 0, which is 3. Okay, so we put all this into the integration. We're going to have 2 and 3. The top x to the power of 5, I'm just going to leave that as it is for now. You'll see why in a second. 3 minus x cubed is going to be the u on the bottom, and then the dx is replaced by 1. I forgot the du up here. 1 over negative 3x squared du. Okay, so now I'm going to try and simplify all this a little bit. This x squared will cancel down with that, become 3. So we're left with 2, 3. We're left with x cubed up here, and bear in mind x cubed was 3 minus u, so we can leave that as 3 minus u. 3 minus u on the bottom, on the top, and then on the bottom we have u times negative 3. Negative 3u with respect to u, and we don't really want to be integrating this, but if we split it into fractions, that'll make life a bit simpler. And we'll also deal with the minus sign. We'll multiply everything by minus 1, and so we'll end up with a minus 3 and positive u. Okay, so let's just do that now. This is going to be a positive u over 3u, which is going to be 1 over 3. And we've got a negative 3 over u, which is going to be take away 3 over u with respect to u. Of course, the limits are 2 and 3. So now we need to integrate. That's going to give us u over 3 for the first part, and then we're going to have take away log of u. Now this is all going to be in the limits of 2 and 3. Okay, so we put those limits in, and we get 2 over 3 take away ln 2. It's going to be in one bracket, and then we take away the other bracket, which is going to be 3 over 3 take away ln 3. Okay, so we can tidy some of this up. We have minus 1 there, so 2/3 minus 3/3 would be negative 1/3. So negative 1/3, and then we have negative ln 2 plus, because we've got a negative and a negative, ln 3. That's just going to end up using log laws. It's going to be log 3 over 2. Take away a third. That'll be our answer. ln 3 over 2 take away a third. And that's your 6 marker.